Hey guys, what's up? How's your day going? Well, mine is mighty fine. Yup. It's a super bad snowstorm out. It's not so bad with the snow, it's all ice and the road is so slippery because it was freezing rain. So I gotta stay here until 8 p.m. tonight. I'm super upset because I wanted to go home and edit some of the Raptors game stuff. Look, I'm stopping on the brakes and look, I'm sliding right through. Anyways, so I'm just stuck here. I can't see myself, so I don't know if I'm on the screen. But I'm just here delivering salt to people. And yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I don't know. I guess there's no way I can vlog at home tonight, so I gotta vlog a bit here. And just wanted to check in with you guys and show you a little bit of my night. So I'm gonna be here until 8:30 p.m. Probably gotta drive home around 9 o'clock. I'll be home by like 9:30. Then I'd like to shower, and then I gotta do the vlog from yesterday. So it's gonna be super fun. But you gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep pushing, keep hustling. So yeah, I'll try and vlog a bit more later on. Anyways, gotta go. Gotta drive safely. I'll see you soon.